Hey everyone, I'm going to be going through a new app I created. It's called Ben Makes Data Easy. Kind of the intent behind the app is really just to make complex, maybe queries rendered over the internet. Right now, the focus is really on Power BI, but I was going to show one specific feature within the app that's free. So let's get started. So if you're new to the app, you can kind of come in here and we can create a username. I'm just creating a fake one here. This allows me to sign up, and it brings me to my feature page. Then we can see there's a variety of features. I would say the most powerful one is the Power BI service tier. These features, or this feature, allows you to really search through your Power BI workspace. If you have if you have your data sets on a Power BI service, um, some functionality that is really powerful behind that is it essentially searches through all of your data sets at once, so you can find different objects within those data sets. You can find any measure or calculated columns, or even look at all your refresh schedules and kind of see how those are grouped together. So just a lot of features that allow you to manage your Power BI service effectively. The one I was going to show today, though, is this free feature, so anybody can really come in here and use this Power BI DAX measure library. I do plan on having other libraries as well, like Excel functions, maybe even Power Query, things like that. But I'm starting with this Power BI DAX library. So we can click on that. That adds the feature to the user. So now we can come in and log in with that user. You can see what features you have available based off your login information. So we have the DAX measure library. And then the measure library is really set up with two parts. So the first part is a way to submit different measure patterns, and then once that's submitted, they'll be reviewed and then they'll be stored in a database. And really, then anybody can come in and see those measure patterns. So it's just an opportunity for people to see what measures have been created for maybe different industries or how things are being written. So more of like a global repository, you can kind of think of it, so that you can quickly find different patterns and potentially use them in similar situations that you're developing too. So a couple ways that you can search in here. So you can search by measure name. So if I want to look at everything that's related to sales, that filters everything for sales. And then this filter allows you to go through the expression. So you can look for different maybe functions within DAX. So you can look for your calculates, or even your sums, divide, maybe if variables are being used. I don't know if there's anything with variables yet, but things like that. And then you can also filter by your industry. So if you wanted to see everything in finance, you can see that as well. What's nice about this is you can come in here and rate or vote on which ones you like the best. So we can go in here and click which measures that you want to vote. And that essentially all builds into this leaderboard. So just a leaderboard with how many different metrics regarding those measures. You can see like how many people have created stuff, how many active voters there are, how many measures there are, and really just kind of the top users and the top measures. And ideally, what my plan is actually to every month or so to give out gifts or some type of award for the top contributors to the site, just to kind of drive that engagement, because I think this kind of global repository could be very useful for people that are using DAX, where they can really see a lot of different measures in a single location and kind of reuse those for their development purposes too. So I think that's about it. Again, this is the free feature, so just kind of walking through that today. There are, again, other features in the app. Still working on it, so this is a brand new app. So if you do start using it and you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm on Twitter. I'm on my email's included in the website as well. So just let me know and we can kind of talk through anything that you might find out. So thank you for starting with the app, and I do appreciate it.